Complete combustion of 3 gram of ethane gives x into 10 raised to the power 22 molecules of water. The value of x is, first of all, let us find the molar mass of water. It is equal to 2 into 1 plus 16, and this is equal to 18 gram per mole. Now, molar mass of ethane, that is C2H6, it is equal to 2 into 12 plus 6 into 1, and this is equal to 30 gram per mole. Now let us find the number of moles of ethane. It is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass of ethane is 3 gram and molar mass हमने क्या find out किया, 30 gram per mole. 30 gram per mole. This will be equal to 0.1 mole. ethane के हमारे पास moles आ चुके हैं. अब हम combustion reaction लिखेंगे ethane की. C2H6, it reacts with O2 to give CO2 and H2O. इसको बैलेंस कर लेंगे. कार्बन के 2 एटम्स हैं, हाइड्रोजन के 6 हैं, सो राइट 3. नाउ O2 के लिए क्या हो जाएगा, 2 प्लस एक ऑक्सीजन के लिए हमने 3 लिखा है, सो फॉर 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम्स इट विल बी 3/2. नाउ दिस रिएक्शन इज बैलेंस्ड. Here we can see that 1 mole of C2H6, it produces 3 moles of water. That is 1 mole of C2H6, it gives 3 moles of water. हमें molecules of water find out करने हैं. So for that we will find the number of moles of water which is produced. Number of moles of ethane हमारे कितने आए थे, 0.1. So 0.1 mole of ethane, it will give 3/1 into 0.1 mole of H2O, and this is equal to 0.3 mole of H2O. हमारे पास water के moles आ चुके हैं. Now we can easily find the number of molecules of water. It will be equal to number of moles of water into Avogadro number. Number of moles कितना है हमारे पास water के, 0.3 into Avogadro constant की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23. This is equal to 1.81 into 10 raised to the power 23. हमें आंसर 10 raised to the power 22 में चाहिए, so it will be equal to 18.1 into 10 raised to the power 22. And according to question, ये वैल्यू हमें क्या गिवन है, x into 10 raised to the power 22. x into 10 raised to the power 22. तो यहाँ से x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 18.1. This implies x is equal to 18.1. But हमें आंसर को राउंड ऑफ करना है to the nearest integer. This is approximately equal to 18. तो x की वैल्यू आ चुकी है 18 and this will be your answer.